Hi, I'm Vandana from the Urban Mali Network talking to you about indoor plants today. Plants are essential to our lives. They release oxygen, they purify indoor spaces, and even improve our mood. They also add beauty to our indoor spaces. Here are a few small indoor plants that you can grow at home. Number one, spider plant. They take up very little space and you can even grow them in hanging containers. Philodendron, they can withstand low humidity levels. Ferns, they add texture and color to your room. Peace lilies, they're perfect for small spaces and they even attract butterflies. Money plant, don't we all love how the money plant just climbs up any surface? These can grow very long and also have lovely foliage leaves. These were some of the plants that you can easily grow indoors that are small in size. If you'd like to set up an indoor garden, get in touch with us at urbanmali.com. Call us at 8804-8200. Subscribe to this channel for more information on indoor gardens and gardening tips. Happy gardening!